once the image that you want to work with has been uploaded into Canva, you can add it onto the canvas or onto your page. You then want to expand the image so that it fits the page, right? So hold and drag the angles, right, until we're able to fill the image into the page. Right, that looks fine. So now what I want to do is to zoom out, right, so that we'll be able to see what we want to do. And the next step is to navigate to the element section, and we want to search for an element called a circle in a hole. So we type it out, circle in a hole. Right, and now select this one, right, and then once that's on the page, you want to reduce the transparency. Click on that and tune it all the way down to around 70. Right, that looks fine. So you need to expand this again so that it covers the whole page, right? So you can hold the corners, hold and drag the corners, right, until the page is covered. We can zoom in again, right, so that we're able to see what we're working on. Now we want to focus on each product one at a time, right? So we'll drag the circle or drag the element such that the circle is focused on the first can of juice, which is a lemon, right, as you can see on the screen. Once that's in place, what you want to do, right, is then to add some text, right, to your presentation. So click on add heading, and then I've got my text right here on the side, so I'm going to just copy and paste that into this section. And I want to change the font type to Python 1. So Python 1, that looks fine. And then let's drag this here. Right, and now I want to add more text, just a brief description of the product. So I'll go back to text and then select on this add a little body of text. Right, and then again I have my text ready on the side, so I'll just copy and paste it onto the page. All right, so we can just neaten that up. Right, let's first do this. All right, so that it fits into the page, we can do it like that. Hold and drag. All right, something like this. That looks better. You can reduce the font size. Let's work with 24, and then let's change the alignment. Yes, that looks a bit better and it's neat. So now I want to duplicate this page, right, and repeat the process again for the next can of juice, which is strawberry. All right, now I want to change the wording again. I have my text ready on the side, so I'm just copying and replacing that. All right, and then we'll move it so that it aligns here, and then I'll copy the rest of the text for the strawberry section, and we put it in there. Right, that looks fine. Now we duplicate the page again. All right, and we want to focus now on our pineapple juice. So you hold and drag that element. Right, now we want to move the text to the other side so that it doesn't interfere with our focus or with our circle there. Right, this looks better. What we can do now, right, like I said, I already have the text by my side, so I'll just copy and replace with the correct or appropriate text for this page. Right, that looks fine. Let's just align that a bit. Okay, and now what we want to do, right, we want to go in between the pages and and want to add a transition. So the one that we want to select is called match and move, this one. So we select that one, right, and increase the duration maybe to 1.5, and then you want to navigate to the bottom of this window and click on apply on all pages. All right, so that looks fine. So that's been applied. And that's it. So we can test out and see the end product of what we're doing. I'll click on play. Right there, you can see the transitioning effect. Yeah, that's it in a nutshell, guys. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Please do like the video and remember to subscribe to the channel. Cheers, and catch you on the next one.